Start. The appeal raises the legal question of the liability towards national calamity contingent duty for short NC/CD education cess and secondary and higher education cess of a manufacturing establishment which is exempted from payment of central excise duty for short CEN VAT under the Central Excise Act 1944, hereinafter referred to as the 1944 Act. Stop para. In order to encourage development of industries and to generate employment in the states of Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, certain special measures were considered appropriate to be taken by the Government of India. Stop. On the visit of the Prime Minister of India to Uttarakhand in March 2002, an announcement was made that tax and central excise concessions to attract investments in the industrial sector will be worked out for the special category states including Uttaranchal now Uttarakhand band stop. The industries eligible for such incentives were to be environment friendly with potential for local employment generation and use of local resources. Stop. Subsequently, an office memorandum was issued on 7/1/2003 announcing a package of incentives providing for new industrial policy and other concessions for the state of Uttaranchal and the state of Himachal Pradesh. Stop para. Para 3.11 stipulated the fiscal incentives. Stop. It is not necessary to reproduce the complete paragraph, but suffice to reproduce the relevant portion as under para 1. New industrial units and existing industrial units on their substantial expansion as defined, set up in growth centers, industrial infrastructure development centers within bracket IIDCs, industrial estates, export processing zones, theme parks within bracket food processing parks, software technology parks, etc. bracket band as stated in Annexure 1 and other areas as notified from time to time by the central government are entitled to stop para. The result of the aforesaid discussion is that the impugned orders are set aside and the show cause notice dated 26/8/2011 is quashed while holding that the appellant is not liable to pay NC/CD education cess and secondary and higher education cess. Stop. Overall